Okay, here we are a couple minutes later. Not long. The rain's tapered off a bit, and the holding pond is full. So you can see it up to the bottom of the well there. Street volume remains high, but nothing a 6-inch couldn't take. And the geyser is it's just a huge waterfall. Insane volume. So here we go. The drain, who knows if it's still working. You do hear some gurgling. Actually, I can see some gurgling in there, I think. So the drain may be working, but just given the volume that's coming from the waterfall up there, it's unbelievable. Here, you can maybe see it up there. The white, and you see there in the center. That is just water pouring out of the access point. And here we go. Yet again. Comes into this drain, which of course is just going into the other drain. That is very promptly overwhelmed. And there we go. It's pretty bad. It's pretty darn bad. I would say this is covering 20 feet of the road, 15, 20 feet of the road. Huge volume. This is a river. It is just about to breach my sandbags, so I am gonna have to deal with that. So, yeah, I'm getting some here. I'm gonna have to stop filming, sorry.